Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you how to create a Windows 11 Hibernation shortcut so you can quickly put your PC to sleep. And now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. This opens a menu with options that let you create new files and shortcuts easily. Step 2. Hover over New. This will reveal additional options for creating items like folders, documents, or shortcuts. Step 3. Click on Shortcut. This starts the process of making a new shortcut that you can place anywhere on your desktop. Step 4. In the Shortcut Creation window, click in the Location field. This is where you tell Windows what action the shortcut should perform. Step 5. Type or paste the Hibernation command. This command tells your computer to enter hibernation mode when you click the shortcut. Step 6. Click Next. This confirms your command and moves you to the next step where you name your shortcut. Step 7. Type a name for your shortcut, such as Hibernate. This helps you identify it easily among other desktop items. Step 8. Click Finish. This completes the shortcut creation and places it on your desktop. Step 9. Right-click on the newly created shortcut. This opens a menu where you can customize its appearance and settings. Step 10. Click Properties. This opens a window where you can change the shortcut icon and other options. Step 11. Click Change Icon. This lets you pick an icon that visually represents hibernation. Step 12. Select the Shutdown icon. This icon is commonly used for power options and makes your shortcut easy to recognize. Step 13. Click OK. This confirms your icon selection. Step 14. Click Apply. This saves all changes you've made to the shortcut. Step 15. Click OK again. This closes the Properties window and finalizes your Hibernation shortcut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more tips and tutorials.